Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the frequently asked questions on the EPA AirNow application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the smoke button at the lower right corner of the screen. And this will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Go to the frequently asked questions icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And here you can select different options, how to use the application, data, protective actions, learn more, and about. For example, click to the how to use button. And here you can find different information about how to use the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.